Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look at grass. So grass itself is fairly new here. I am going to upload a video as to what this project is, but if we take a look at CoinMarketCap, it was just released 2 days ago. Market cap itself is at 237 billion. Again, it is still undecided. It hasn't reported fully here on CoinMarket. The volume itself is at 184 million itself. Total supply is 1 billion. So there could be potential in this. I do like the project and the concept, but again, that's going to be a different video that I'm going to post. But let's take a look at the chart here. Really on the daily chart that I'd like to look for, doesn't really have much because it was just recently put out. I'm going to go into more of the 2-hour time frame because there is a few things here on a shorter time frame that I do want to show you guys, and I actually see another one. I haven't really talked about these because I haven't really seen them a whole lot in some of the coins that I do go over, but essentially here again, the coin is extremely new, so it could be very volatile. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap, we have at least 10,000 followers so far. When I looked at this project itself 2 days ago, it didn't really have a whole lot of followers, so we know that the market itself could be very volatile. The price can be shooting up and down, and again, I will show you guys something to confirm that here. So we are holding just slightly above our 61% here. We can see very small bodies itself, so a lot of indecision, especially when we saw a lot of these candlesticks really big here in the terms of the bodies. Now, when we take a look at the volume, it can see that the volume itself has increased, and then all of a sudden it just kind of flatlined around here. So we're looking around 1,000, 2,000 every 2 hours. Again, coin's still developing. Now there are these gaps. Now these gaps itself, this is very key here. The only thing that we don't know is as to when this will be filled. So when a crypto coin or any stock itself is moving very fast, it's very volatile. There's so many players, or the price is just moving so fast here. This is lost liquidity. So again, the price is jumping very high. These gaps again are known as lost liquidity zones. It often acts as a magnet. So it basically says that the price couldn't close between these levels here. So for example, around 74 cents to 76 cents, because we don't see any candlestick body itself covering this. Because if you follow any chart on TradingView or whatever charts that you use for candlesticks, you'll always notice that the bodies itself kind of core-align together. It aligns together side by side. But when it creates this gap here, the market moved very fast, and the price and the orders moved very fast. It didn't cover this particular price range from 74 to 76. Now, because there lost liquidity here, there was no orders, eventually the market itself will correct it and fill those orders up. So that means on the trace for grass going up to this uptrend, we lost these orders, and eventually the price will come down to fill these orders. And the only thing that we don't know and what we question is as to when these orders will be filled. We don't know that question, but we know that there is a need to fill these gaps. So the price again could be very interesting if you guys look into the project yourself, like I did the last couple of days. It does look very intriguing, but the coin itself in analytical is very new. So even though it may be intriguing to get it at the very top, I don't know in your technical analysis when you guys do your charts, but for me itself, I wanted to dive in. It looked really hot. It looked new, but taking a look at these gaps here, I think for me myself may want to wait until it does come down to the 74 and then kind of take a look at the chart itself and see some indicators. Again, it is fairly new here, so it is really hard to see or give you guys a price prediction because we are retesting resistance levels, retesting support levels. With the volume very low, we may see the price kind of bounce and fill this area of liquidity that was already lost from this jump. You guys can see already here from the 92 cents to the 94 cents. This area might act as an area of support. So really, I can't really say where the movement can be. I mean, if we could hold at the 92 itself, then we may test this area of resistance at $1 with these higher wicks here and eventually move down as the price will correct it. There may be a lot of people that might sell at the $1 or closer to the highs here if they bought it, at the $1.10. It all works on emotions. So before I kind of blab on, that's kind of something that I wanted to show you what I saw on the grass on the 2-hour chart. But let me know what you guys think down below. I am going to be posting the project's kind of insight or deep dive in the next couple of days. So watch out for that. Like and subscribe as well if you guys enjoyed it. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye.